It was something in the air tonight. It was something in the air tonight. I get nervous when you get closer.
Hi. So, hi everyone. It's Nick and Lissa. Today we're going to be doing a mukbang. We have Tasty Crab House, and we have this is not going to be a usual mukbang where you can see like almost everything. We're new at this, so forgive us in advance. I have boiled eggs that I'm going to eat by myself, and we got some corn here. We got shrimp and sausages, and yep, I can't say sausages, but that's okay. I can eat it though. It's shrimp, sausages, and I think that's it. Right? Yeah.
And it tastes amazing.
Yeah.
You make me wear gloves because I don't like to wash my hands.
Nasty so. So yeah, I like to put hot sauce in my butter. It's a southern thing, y'all. So yeah, you gotta put like that much hot sauce in here.
Jesus Christ.
Now, what we gonna talk about today? Oh, the last thing we left off on is when we was doing our juicing.
I didn't do it too well.
Yeah, I'm gonna insert a clip of that if I still have the video. I took it off your phone and sent it to myself. You guys will be watching it right now.
Alright, so I chickened out yesterday. I couldn't go through with it, but today is a new day, and I'm gonna try it. I can't let my queen do it. As you can see from me leaving it out all night, all the celery juice that going at the bottom. But I'm still gonna drink it. I'm not gonna use a straw. I'm just gonna drink it. My shit is good. I didn't taste the corn yet. How the corn taste?
Amazing. We should do this all the time.
What you paying next time?
I'm doing what? You know, never got no money.
I ain't been sitting in the sauce long enough.
I can't tell. It tastes a little better.
Tastes like heaven. Get me to go to church on Sunday.
I taste like heaven. This tastes like a step from heaven.
What's wrong, Missy?
Oh, snap. That way get joking.
Want some water?
Whew.
You okay?
God said, don't you tell me.
Really? Oh, that shit is so good.
Next year is our big year.
Yep.
We're getting married.
I'm already married. Been married for 100 years and many years.
Alright, this is going to be my first time trying corn with the seafood.
Corn.
And the sauce, I mean not corn, eggs. The sauce is garlic butter mao. So I'm going to try it for the first time. But you know who really wanted me to do this? Or make me feel like I needed to do this? B-Love. Swear to God. Okay. Sorry, I got a call. Nick, you got the camera, the bag in front of our camera. You still got it in our view. Sorry, you guys, about that. I got a call. But as I was stating, what really made me want to try the eggs inside the seafood is Eve. Not Eve. Her name is Be Love. Nick, you want to try an egg?
No, thank you.
It's just so good.
Why are you gonna ball up the trash now?
Damn, you got it in the camera. That was good. We need to get back to juicing. I had stopped.
Why you stop?
I guess because sometimes I'm not consistent. I'll get admit to that.
You ain't rubbing no sauce.
I did. This one I already had.
Oh. This food is good.
Starting to get full?
Let's hit the spot. Kind of, yeah. I'm eating too fast.
You need to slow down. Do I love you more? I love Queen Naja's Good Morning text. I was playing that song like all day. She was like, "You must be." Your mom was like, "You must be really like that song. You got it on repeat." I really started vibing with that song, y'all, when I saw her perform it live. And then I couldn't stop singing it. Playing it. I'm dipping shrimp in my hot sauce. You know what I mean? Oh, babe, we gotta do a thumbnail.
A what?
A thumbnail is basically like where you gotta like take a still picture for the video, pretty much.
I'm coming down.
Okay. Why are you looking at me? You gotta pick something up. You gotta pick up like a shrimp or something. Look. No, it looks stupid. No, this looks stupid.
You wanna pick up something?
Yeah, you gotta pick up something. Look at the camera. Why are you looking at me?
No.
Okay. That's how the mukbangers do it.
Oh. This food is delicious.
Nicholas will get full fast.
I said, and I just need to take a break.
What do you think about Amarion and April? Remember the girl? What do you think about Lil Fizz going with Amarion, baby mama?
Thoughts gonna be thoughts.
Really? Yeah, I don't think that was right.
You know, talk to somebody's best friend or someone I'm associated with.
That's not cool.
Stop trying to lick my fingers, Missy.
Who?
This is Missy.
You call him Missy Mason?
What's wrong, baby?
We have a dog. Her name is Missy.
Okay. Okay.
Spice.
Love you, baby.
I love you too.
You remember the first day I fell in love with you?
What was that?
And I sure saw you at Brentwood.
You know what's so crazy? We all went to the same middle school, y'all.
But you've been off brand.
He was an off-brand.
No one knew who you were.
No one knew who you were.
I went to the school for like 2 months, so I don't think nobody should know who I was.
Yeah, but we went to the same middle school. When I met him in high school, 9th grade, I thought he always looked familiar, so we probably just saw each other passing.
That school was like juvie compared to
Yeah,
to
Brentwood was terrible.
Brentwood was like a jail.
Sharon used to fight the by the way, y'all, because some people might not know this, Sharon is short for children. But the Sharon used to fight the teachers. They used to have been always on the news. When you met me at Garrett, did you like me right away, or did you just didn't like me till after we start like really talking?
I don't know. I didn't like you and Garrett.
Why?
You've been a thought.
Lies.
You had like 5 boyfriends.
That's true. Not
All
at the same time.
Class.
Yeah, I did.
All in the same
That's
class.
crazy. Out of all my picks, you've been the one. You've been the only one I love. And Daddy Boy. Dang, I got sauce on my shirt, my sweater. This is so good.
We should probably slow down.
You think so?
We should probably both slow down. Oh, we can enjoy it.
Not even eating fast.
I am.
I wish I had more eggs.
It's just so good.
The eggs was really good.
I'm not gonna kiss you.
Good eggs.
Well, ugh.
It is really good.
That means you eat double egg.
You know what? Me and Nicholas been going. Me and Nicholas been going together for. This is our 11th year. I forgot just now. We've been going together for 11 years. It was 2008, September 13th. And as much as we hang around each other, you would think we share a lot of similarities. We absolutely don't. This boy don't like tuna fish salad. Who don't like tuna fish salad? Comment down below if you like tuna fish salad.
White people. Sorry. You just looked out. Edit that out.
A lot of black people like tuna fish salad. You tripping.
Sorry.
Well, you never taste my tuna fish salad.
It was okay. We'll try it.
You never tried my tuna fish salad. I don't even think I ever made tuna fish salad because you would never eat it. You wouldn't even eat it if I did. Because you don't like it.
Probably eat it.
Because I made it? Aww. Ooh. Ooh. What was I going to say? Oh yeah, everybody, y'all need to be careful out there. People is crazy. They snatching up people. Nicholas has showed me a video today of was a man who had ducked that little girl. And she was walking with her mama. And they catch her. They catch it happening on a DoorDash. Not DoorDash. What is it called?
You thinking about food? The ring alarm.
The ring alarm. I only can imagine what that lady be going through. I would freaking lose it, man. That little baby missed it for 8 months. $8 months without your child. I wouldn't be able to do it. And when they found the little sick man, he was in the room naked with the little girl.
He had her for 7 months.
That's a long time. I'm praying for that little girl. It'll never be the same. You guys, I have grown to love seafood. When I was younger, I really didn't eat seafood like that at all because my mom, she was allergic. But this guy and his family, child, and when at periods of time, her dad and mom, they would have like a seafood night, and we would have snow crabs, sausages, shrimp, corn. Those were the best days.
True.
My favorite thing out the bag is a toss between the eggs and the corn.
I don't know about getting no fried chicken again tonight.
Fried chicken. I don't even know why you wanted that in the first place.
So you sit there. You better come on and join the table.
We're talking to Nicholas' mom, who don't want to be in camera, but you're gonna see her little. Oh no! Oh no! Sorry about that.
Dang.
That lady dropped my camera.
Oh, I can't eat no more.
Nicholas tapped out.
Because you don't be home.
But I ain't. Oh man, I ripped my glove.
We got more gloves.
No. This, like this one. We're gonna close out this video.
Well, we gotta think of a master plan.
It was nice chatting with you guys. Nick, say something.
Goodbye, everybody.
You're gonna have no fans. Everybody gonna be like, I don't even like him. Why is he there?
Well,
He didn't even finish
I
his
worked
food.
today.
Molly.
She didn't. Okay.
So I work a lot of
She got a lot more
days.
energy than I have.
I work a lot of
We
days.
gotta think of a master plan.
I'm about to rob me a bank.
Rob you a bank.
You down?
I remember
Bro,
me and
if
Denise
they
were
get
talking,
caught,
trying to get a boat in one time.
I'll be like, look, it been all Nicholas'
idea.
idea.
Yeah, I gonna slip
You
you
know,
first.
you gotta come up and say,
Shit, you only say 30 years, like 30 years.
It was Nicholas' idea. I was 6'9", you.
No, but you first.
Mm. But we got him on camera, y'all.
Why did I get you first? I do a couple months for you.
No, you
But
wouldn't.
anything over a year. Mm-hmm.
No, you wouldn't. They were like, you know you can't smoke nothing in here.
I don't smoke. I sniff crack.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
These sausages busting.
Maybe we should put on the hot sauce, baby.
I have acid reflux, y'all.
So that's enough of the hot sauce.
I love spicy stuff.
It was something in